what's happening?
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Coshocton County, northwestern Muskingum County until 2:15 p.m.
Oh man.
At 1:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Fredericksburg, or 15 miles northeast of Newark, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Dressing, Fredericksburg, Warsaw, Conesville, Nellie, New Cooper, and Cooperdale. Here are the 1 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. for southwestern Coshocton and northwestern Muskingum counties. At 1:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, or 16 miles west of Coshocton, moving east at 15 miles an hour.
I forgot I came up on there.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Dresden, for 2.425 megahertz. Originating from the National Weather Service office in Charleston, West Virginia. This is a weather bulletin for the following national.
Why is KZC 46 on backup power? This is weird.
Impact, gusty wind could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Jackson, Oak Hill, Rio Grande, Rutland, Vinton, Wilkesville, Guysville, Petersburg, Mabee, Salem.
Bing bong.